on, fellow friends and diecast collectors from around the world. If you're watching this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So I got this awesome INNO64 today in the mail, and I figure why not show you guys. So I probably present you this. This is the NSX Rocket Bunny. This is the version 2 of the Rocket Bunny. This is either you can call it a Honda or Acura, but this is an NSX and the Rocket Bunny version of the NSX. So this is going to be the second unboxing for my video. So here's a little glimpse of the box. You have NSX inside, has INNO64, Rocket Bunny. There's the bottom. Of course, you get your information when it comes to the barcodes, and here's the back of the box, or crystal. What do they call it? The crystal case or something like that. But here's the back of the box of the drawing of the car. So I'm going to unbox this guy right now. Give me a second. So here's the top view of the vehicle as well. There are two different releases of this NSX. There is a Spectre Flame Blue version, and then you get this purple version, and they both look great. I seen the Spectre Flame Blue version of the real car. I'm not sure if that was version 1, because I guess this is version 2, so must be the updated version from the blue version. But the blue version does come with black rims. It does look great. You get a sponsors on the windows, in the front windows, and then you get sponsors in the back. But they both look great. The reason why I chose the purple version, because I just like how the rims just pop out. So yeah, INNO64 did an amazing job with this car from what I'm seeing right now. But let me go ahead and take it out of its box and give you a close-up of this beautiful car. I'm glad I have this car, because in pictures it looked okay, but then when you actually get it in person and have it on your hands, it just looks fantastic. I mean, Inno really did a great job. But here, there's a little Rocket Bunny, little background I'll put it right here so you can. Since I'm showcasing this car, why not just put the Rocket Bunny right here and just lay it right here against the wall. So I gotta fix that cone. Let me get that left one here. There we go. All right, so I'm going to remove this crystal cover case thingy, so I can show you the car. And let me get a screwdriver so I can unscrew this screw and remove the car from the base, so I can give you a better glimpse of the vehicle. This is how it looks in the bottom before I unscrew it. And give me a second here. Alright, I took it off the base, and here's your NSX by Rocket Bunny. So if you don't know Rocket Bunny was invented by a man named Kai Miura from Kyoto, Japan. He first started his kit inside his own house. So he has been building inspired kits to give him that like NASCAR, like that 70s 80s NASCAR look, and but mostly JDM vehicles like Nissans and Toyotas and Hondas. So he's been very successful in working with these businesses from around the world, and even for like drift cars, and he's been making kits for a lot of these cars. And so yeah, if you don't know of Kai Miura, look him up. It's Kei Miura, Meira, I think. I could be wrong on that, but he is a legend when it comes to kits for cars from around the world. And just in his little shop, started in Kyoto, Japan, but he's been very successful, and he did a very good job on the real car of this car. And now INNO64 released the collector car at 164 for all you collectors. So yeah, here's the car from the side view. This is a right-handed drive vehicle, but the rims on these things look amazing. You see all the sponsorships from Rocket Bunny, Nito, Takata, all the different real sponsors. So like if you have the blue version, there are sponsors on the front windshield and the back windshield, but they both look great. So yeah, you get inserts for the backs and you get insert lights for the fronts, and they did really good with the exhaust, and that's one thing Inno does right, is the exhaust. Here's this side. Here's the right side of the vehicle from this angle. On the spoiler, you get a really nice spoiler, and you have the NGK sponsor. But this thing sits really low on the ground, and it looks so good. So I'm just moving the car a little left, a little to the right, just to give you a close glimpse of the vehicle. Sometimes I wonder if I go too fast from my previous videos, but I'm trying to go smooth as possible so you can see a lot of the car. Here's the, you see the hand gesture. It's known up there. It's a 666 hand gesture from the company. That's Rocket Bunny. The vents of that front of the car look amazing. Here's the bottom. Nothing crazy. You do get some detail whatnot, but it's a plastic base. You get two screws. It says Honda on the bottom, but it's fine. It looks fantastic. So I'm gonna give you a little 360 spin of the vehicle. So yeah, hope you all enjoy the video, and yeah, here we go. I'm gonna let you watch the video in silence, and yeah, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, enjoy the rest of this video. And here's a 360 spin for my spinner thing. I don't know what you call it, but thanks again.